Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Let's take a look at 3 easy ways to speed up Ubuntu. All right, the first thing we're going to do is check the startup application. So I'm going to click the applications menu here. Now, this applications menu is not installed. By default, you can install this as an extension. Let's see, system tools, and we want, what do we want here? We want startup applications. There we go, right there. And as you can see, I've done a pretty good job tweaking this. I had multiple startup programs, including Bluetooth and a lid switch, ignore lid switch, startup app, Chrome, I believe, was starting up. I removed those. So in these situations here, I've done a pretty good job. So if you have a whole list here, just highlight the one you want to remove, click it, then click remove. These two are fine the way they are. So for this, I've done a pretty good job tweaking this. I'll leave this the way it is. All right, the second thing that you should do is probably the first thing you should do if you have an older machine or a machine with an old HDD hard disk drive. Replace it, remove it immediately, like right now, go. Install an SSD, a solid state SSD, solid state drive. Even these inexpensive ones, I bought a couple Kingstons, one for my machine, my desktop, and one for my ThinkPad. Trust me, there will be a noticeable difference between an older disk drive and a solid state drive. So if you have not done this already, believe me, especially in an older machine, these will make a world of difference. I posted a video or two on how to replace this in a laptop such as a ThinkPad. I'll have that link below in the show notes, so check it out. It's not that difficult. Take your time. It'll be well worth it. And finally, certainly not the last thing to do, upgrade your RAM. This particular Gateway desktop of mine with Ubuntu installed, I upgraded from 6 gigs to 8 gigs. Again, they may not seem like a lot, but when you're doing multiple apps, multiple open windows, graphics, and live streaming, it does make a difference. Now, this particular old Gateway, I believe the maximum amount of RAM, I believe, is 8 gig I could install in this. I could be wrong. That being said, I went from 6 to 8 gig, and it made a world of difference. So if you want to speed up Ubuntu, definitely check your startup applications, change your disk drive, and install more RAM. Changing disk drives, installing more RAM should work for any operating system and not just Ubuntu. Ubuntu is and was and remains a solid distribution for beginners and beyond. It's no wonder that it's probably the most popular Linux-based operating system in the world, certainly the most famous since 2004. So well done, Ubuntu, or as my friend says, Ubuntu sounds like a power drink, like Red Bull. Hey, give me a can of Ubuntu there. Make it a double. True story. All right, that's all I have for this one. Enjoy your speed. I'll catch you on the next one. So for this, I'll just say arrivederci. Ciao.